to the woods for some Christmas tree hunting. Oh, timber! Oh!
Kind of.
What happened?
It's only in two-wheel drive.
Uh-huh. Only in two-wheel drive. They all say that.
I don't even know how to put it in four-wheel drive.
I don't think that was it.
I don't know if they'll go in. Yeah, it's in now.
Yeah. I'll post this to the Jeep forum.
Trail rated. I just wanted to get it trail rated.
I'm like nervous.
Oh, there she goes. Oh, piece of cake. Hey, nobody yelled timber. Redo it. It doesn't count if you don't say timber. As you can see, the tree is touching the ceiling. And it's really hard to decorate these trees you get up there because they're not like a tree you get at a tree farm. They're extra special.